I think we should put on the lights. So let me be honest with you, man. This YouTube thing is pretty daunting. If you see anyone at all that is consistent with posting YouTube videos, you should respect that person. You should probably send them a gift card because this is pretty daunting. And sometimes you just have to give yourself a slack. And I think that's what I did. Just give myself a slack for. I kept saying I'll do this tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. But as I said, I've not been faffing actually. I have been pretty busy um, working on a particular side project, and the side project is now turning into something that one, two, three, four, and like that number of people are actually working on, turning into a proper product. And that is what has kept me very busy for the past few weeks, approximately 1 month. That exactly is what I really just basically want to talk about, just to fill you guys in on what exactly is going on with that aspect of my life and why you should be interested in it and why you should look forward to this space for updates going forward. Let's talk about it, guys. Towards the beginning of this year, I one of my goal was to just build something, with all of this technical prowess that I had accumulated. I just wanted to do something, just a side project, anything at all that is able to move people's life forward. At the end of the day, you get to realize that people actually just want to make more money. The country has not necessarily been favorable to people in terms of the economy and all. People want to increase their opportunity to survive and make livelihood. So I think this is the best time for anyone at all to use their technical abilities or technical prowess to just do some good to the world, all right? Even if it's just to make a particular process more simpler, make a particular domain much more easier for people to access. So these are all of the elements that has been spinning around my head, and I just wanted to do something. Um, it might be something very little. Not necessarily trying to um, build something big out of it. I just needed to do something. I needed to put something out there. So picked up a couple of things, and a particular one stuck, and that particular one is what I've been working with. I'm unable to give you the full details now, actually, because it is now a real deal. It is something that has been in the works for the past 5 months, about 5 months, and I've been working with some really amazing guys that are truly passionate about what they're building, and they truly believe it that it can just make some good to the world. Whilst I'm unable to give full details about it yet, the honest truth is, at the end of the day, what the project aims to do is to make people's life better. That's basically what it aims to do. And that is one reason why I'm truly proud of it. I'm hoping you will be proud of it as well when you see it. It's been difficult. I wouldn't lie to you. It has not been without its own challenge. All right. I'm a day-to-day worker. I have my 9 to 5. All right. So you can immediately begin to paint the mind picture. Having to do your 9 to 5, your church activities, and having to now settle back for this. Just watch this space. I'm very really interested in what it is that I'm working on. So I will continually give updates as per what this project is about, and when it's eventually launched into the public space, I'll let you guys know about it, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to support. Yeah, we'll just make the world a better place together. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye.